knots appetizer. $20. What a bunch of ripoff. I'm not interested.
Hey you guys, it's Erica. So let's make some semi-homemade garlic knots at home. So we're not spending $20 on a simple and easy appetizer. What you will need is 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of chopped fresh basil leaves and fresh parsley if that's what you desire. Dried is also an option. Then you're also going to need some garlic salt or garlic powder depending on your preference, 2 cans of Pillsbury crescent rolls, and then optional Parmesan cheese to sprinkle on top. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and then in a bowl we're going to combine our butter, oil, and herbs together. Then next you're going to open the cans of crescent rolls. And here I am simply going to spread the mixture on the triangles and then knot them up. There are different ways of doing this. If you don't want to get so messy, you can also just knot the crescent rolls and then spread or melt the mixture so you can just pour it on top. And then you're going to put it inside a 9-inch round cake pan or a baking dish that is able to hold all your rolls. I am placing a parchment paper in the bottom of the pan just so the cleanup's a little bit easier. You're not going to need to grease the pan because, of your butter and oil that's already on the biscuits. So now we're going to bake the rolls or knots for 13 to 15 minutes to golden brown, and then once that is done, you're going to take them out and then serve with your favorite marinara sauce. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I can't wait to see y'all again here tomorrow. Bye!